Welcome guys, welcome to the zombie versus the human. We have been a lot of times did not record this video, but if you closely see, you will be seeing that my version is getting changed. Why? Because I take out this gigantic. Look, if you without a whole body, you always do it like this. But if you have it, you will see his eye. But actually today I'm going to use this vision to play it. So the human going to attack first. So human, I always win. Oh, I saw a zombie. Actually, I think they need to see them. So, zombies. Done. So, the human. Okay, wait a minute. The problem coming. So, we need to put this rock on it. And then so humans will all climb up. Maybe I should have some change. Wait a minute. Okay, we are back. So now we're going to maybe more humans, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, done. So zombies, humans. Guess what is today's winner? If you guess correct, please leave a like. If you guess wrong, whatever, please leave a subscribe. I hope we can get 1 subscribe or 1 like. Attack. So zombie is usually very good at those kind of attacks. Did you guys see the humans? Some of them stuck inside. But actually humans are pretty good. Zombies that cannot be already beaten them. So let's see who will be the winner for today. I think the zombies lose. So let's see how many more zombies. How long we need to? Okay, let's start with the 4 minutes. So the zombies are up here. So we need to keep on going until we do something else, maybe. So I'll be very quick. So maybe this time it's the human win. And then we need to end this video. If you like this video, please give a like. If you don't like the video, please leave a subscribe maybe. Maybe I will want some likes and subscribe maybe. So bye guys, see you next video.